Let me quickly show you how to see your Wi-Fi password on Android. So looking right here is my Android device and this is my Samsung device. So in order for you to see your Wi-Fi password on Android, this is what you simply need to do. So first you need to connect your device to your Wi-Fi. So looking right here on the screen, you can see that this device is connected to your Wi-Fi. So you can actually tap on the Wi-Fi like this and you'll be able to see the device that you are connected to. Or you can simply go to your phone settings. So let's say you go to your phone settings like this. So right here on your phone settings like this, you just need to go ahead and scroll and click on where you can see connections. You can see connections right there. Looking at, you can see connections. Clicking on it like this, you'd be able to see Wi-Fi. That is actually the first option here. You just need to go ahead and tap and hold it like this and you'd be able to see the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. So now if you click on the gear icon close to the Wi-Fi, the gear icon, you can see the gear icon right there. If you click on it like this, you'd be able to see your password. So once you click on the eye icon like this, you'd be able to see the password of the Wi-Fi. So this is how simple it is for you to see your Wi-Fi password on Android. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel on AppFix and N channel. See you in the next one.